Collagen. Most people think of collagen as just some expensive cream you might rub on your skin because of wrinkles, right? Well, did you know that prednisone depletes collagen? Yeah, collagen is messed up by prednisone. And so when people think of collagen, they usually only think of skin. So let's cover that type of side effect first. So the collagen skin issue with prednisone is that prednisone is causing thinning skin. So skin that can tear even, and stretch marks because of the collagen breakdown. Normally there's a beautiful interlocking network of collagen fibers, but while on prednisone, it becomes, as one scientific article said, an amorphous substance. It's just broken down. And that can be why all of those skin side effects happen. But did you know there's other types of side effects from prednisone that are likely due to collagen being depleted? Well, where does collagen come from anyway? When you eat meat sources, so like some good grass-fed beef or other animals that have inside the bone, there's marrow, and inside that marrow is collagen. And so if you're eating a great bone broth that can have collagen in it, it's protein, and it builds together to make not just your skin, not just your muscles, which is what we normally think of when we think of protein. But did you know collagen is also the #1 protein in your bones? Right? That's crazy. When I realized that prednisone causing osteoporosis isn't just a function of calcium and vitamin D, I was mind blown. Like, oh my goodness. It's also the collagen, also the fact that the collagen is becoming an amorphous gloop. It's not working properly. And why would that be? Because your liver has cells, and they normally build these cross-linked polymers of protein together to make this beautiful lattice in your structures, holding you together. But it's not doing that job because prednisone's telling it not to. Why would prednisone tell it not to do that? Well, basically, prednisone is mimicking a hormone in our body called cortisol. And cortisol is a hormone that we secrete in times of emergency, stress. And so if our ancestors were dealing with serious stress, like for example, they're being chased by a predator, say it's a tiger. When you're being chased by that predator, you don't care about a lot of things. You just want to survive. So you don't care if your bones are falling apart or your muscles are falling apart. You just need to run as fast as you can. So your body starts taking all the goodness out of your bones, out of your muscles, and putting them into your bloodstream so you can use them up as fast as you can so you can run away or you can survive the famine. The problem is there is no famine for most of us. And not only that, there is no tiger. So you can't actually run away. So it never ends. See the problem here? You just keep withdrawing all of the goodness, all of the collagen, all of the calcium, all the vitamin D from all of your bones and muscles. And that leaves you feeling depleted and miserable with osteoporosis and protein depletion, shrunken muscles. I was shocked that I'm an athlete. I love riding my bicycle. And after I had not been riding because my doctor told me if you get hit by a car, you'll die instantly of blood loss, because that's what I was taking prednisone for. And I finally got to get back on my bike, that I could hardly do it at all because I had lost so much muscle mass. My legs were so skinny. My arms were so skinny. I can't remember in my adult life them being that skinny. And it wasn't because I'd lost weight. In fact, I'd been gaining weight. I had lost muscle mass. So it's not just the collagen. That was one of the things I had lost. It was other protein depletion. I'll get into that in another video another time. But prednisone is causing protein depletion, collagen depletion, and all of those other nutrients that build muscles, bones, and all sorts of things. That's why it's causing side effects. That's why prednisone causes side effects, is because it's depleting your body of all of the goodness and using it as if it's an emergency, right? That's one of the reasons I invented Nutrinize Zone. It gives back certain nutrients that prednisone is stealing, but it doesn't include collagen. So what can you do? How can you get collagen? So I've already mentioned some options. You can eat good meat, grass-fed meats like cows, for example. You can make a bone broth from a really rich source of bone, one of those grass-fed animals, their bones, and you can drink bone broth. You can take a collagen supplement, but guess what? There are several kinds of collagen. There's type 1, type 2, and type 3. And prednisone specifically is depleting collagen type 1. And so you can take a collagen supplement like a capsule. You can also have a collagen powder that you can put in smoothies or drinks. You can have my favorite snack on prednisone, which are Paleo Valley's beef sticks. And you can put those, like just chew on them. They're wrapped in a collagen, whatever it's called, casing. There are lots of ways to get collagen into your diet, and I encourage you to do so. If you are trying to eat whole food, plant-based, that is admirable of you, but you need to find a way to get collagen into your diet. There are other ways, other sources. For example, eggshell membrane is one possible way you could get collagen into your diet so that you are replenishing what prednisone is stealing. If you'd like to see specific examples of the products I've recommended that include collagen, you can click the link below and it will take you to some of my favorite sources of collagen. Again, you can just make this at home with your own bone broth. That's one easy way. Or if you would like a simpler way to do it, just click the link below and you can see the sources I recommend. I'm Dr. Megan, your prednisone pharmacist, signing off.